Good morning, fam. My name is Nasteri, and welcome to my channel. And in this channel, we talk a lot about trying to conceive, about pregnancy, about childbirth, about parenting. So if you can relate to any of these topics, please kindly subscribe or just give us a thumbs up or watch our previous videos. So our topic of today is how you can conceive twins. What are the things that you need to do in order to conceive twins? And I will highlight 5 things that you need to do. I think they are five things that you need to do in order to conceive twins. And I'll start with the most basic one. You need a proper nutrition, and you need, in this nutrition, you need fertility boosting foods. These are things like pumpkin seeds. They are very rich in vitamin E and vitamin C, and they will keep the inflammation down as well as help you produce quality eggs. And another food that will work exactly the same as the pumpkin seed is the sunflower seeds, and these will also help in reducing the inflammation, and it's very rich in antioxidants, which will keep you in check as far as fertility is concerned. Another food that you need to consume very regularly is the sweet potatoes. They are very rich in zinc, and zinc has a fertility boosting effect. It will help you release a very healthy egg, and it will also improve your libido so that you're able to have this act as many times as possible. And you know, when you do this, you're improving your chances of conceiving. So another thing that you need to do, the second thing besides those superfoods, and you need to add other healthy foods like the greens, whole grains, all those. Just consume healthy foods, but maximize on those foods that I've mentioned. So the second thing that you need to do is that you need to take supplements. Take these supplements at least 1 or 2 months before you conceive. So some of these supplements include the folic acid. This improves your fertility, or it boosts your fertility. Zinc, as I've mentioned, but now you'll take it in form of supplements. Vitamin B6, it is very important as well. And you need calcium and iron, and as well as the omega-3 fatty acids. So just visit your obs-gyn and let him or her prescribe those supplements for you so that you can start taking them ASAP. So the third thing that you need to do is that you need to exercise moderately, at least 20 minutes a day, is in order to keep your body in check. You don't want to be lazing around, and you need to be active, because being active boosts fertility. It also increases your libido, and this is very important. Exercise at least 20 minutes a day. The third thing, the fourth thing that you need to do is that you need to be in your ideal BMI, or in your ideal weight. Don't be overweight, don't be underweight, because being overweight or being underweight usually reduces your fertility score. So if you're overweight or you're underweight, visit your instructor, gym instructor, or subscribe to some online training things, and keep your weight in control. The fifth and the last thing that you need to do is that you need to visit your obs-gyn so that they can prescribe for you some fertility boosting drugs. These will help you release more than 1 egg per cycle, and when you release more than one egg per cycle, then you will conceive twins, and that is what you want. So this should be the last thing that you need to do, because for you to release these eggs, we want you to release healthy eggs. We want you to be fertile, because if you're not fertile, then you'll not be able to release the eggs. So you have to do all the 4 things that I've mentioned before, and the fertility boosting drugs should come last. So those are all the things. So eat fertility boosting foods like the pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, and zinc. Take supplements as I've mentioned. Exercise, keep your weight in check, and the last thing that you need to do, visit your obs-gyn so that they can prescribe for you some fertility boosting drugs that will help you release more than 1 egg so that you can conceive twins. So in my previous videos I've discussed how to conceive a boy. You can find a link up there, and there's also another video I did that was so nice about how you can conceive a girl. There's also a link up there. Please have a look at them, and maybe you can use the same principles that I explained there in order to conceive either twins boys or twins girls, as you wish. So see you next time, and please give us a thumbs up and also subscribe. Cheers.